If it could be with this dog, I'd want the dog days to last forever. It would always be this dog on the end of the leash, no matter the weather, rain or shine, taking our time on even the coldest of days. It would always be this dog leaving scratches on the hardwood and getting in my way while I vacuum up the very furry evidence that this house belongs to both of us. It would always be this dog at the front door when I get home from work, pacing around like nothing has ever been more joyful than this moment, every single time. If it were up to me, I'd have to leave every party early for the rest of my life to get home to this dog. I'd forfeit the ability to sprawl out in bed. I'd share the last bite of every meal, apologize to every guest for the parade of excitement when they arrive. I'd take a rain-soaked couch and muddy paw prints in the front hallway. I'd willingly find hairs on every sweater I ever wear, but I'd only do it for this dog. Because if it were this dog, I'd want the dog days to last forever.